A very good morning, students. This is your maths class, and in previous class we have taken question number exercise 1.4 question number up to 5. Today we are going to complete this exercise, and we will see here question number 6 to 10, and 11th is your homework. So let's start with the question number 6. So I have written over here that there is a person that his name is Amitabh. So height of Amitabh is given. This is a word problem. Amitabh's height is given, that is 1 meter 82 centimeter. Okay, that's 1 meter 82 centimeter, and his wife is shorter than him. Okay, his wife is shorter than him by 35 centimeter. Means wife's height is less than Amitabh's height by 35 centimeter. Okay, so we need to know what is his wife's height. Okay, so let us see here that Amitabh's height is given in 1 meter 82 centimeter, whereas his wife's height is given, which is shorter, in centimeter. There are two different units. One is meter and another is centimeter. Okay, when I was telling you, I have told you that you also know it very well, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now, I will write this over here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So what happens? You have to convert this whole unit into centimeter. As 1 meter has to be converted into centimeter, it will be 100 centimeter. Okay, now this is already in centimeter, so it will be 82 centimeter. So when you will add it, it will be 182 centimeter. Okay, the whole has been converted to centimeter. Now how much? By 35 centimeter his wife is shorter. So to know his wife's height, we have to subtract from 182 centimeter, we have to subtract 35. Okay, so when we will subtract, it will be 12 minus 5, this is 7, and it will be 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So it will be 147 centimeter. Okay, so this is in centimeter. If you want to know what will be this in meter also, you have to change it in meter. So what we need to do, because 1 centimeter will have 1 upon 100 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert centimeter into meter, we need to divide this by 100. So let us divide it by 100 over here. It will be like this. One time this will be 100, and again the remainder is 47. The remainder is 47. So this is meter and this is centimeter. So we will write here, we can write it as 1 meter 47 centimeter. So this will be his wife's height. So finally we can write his wife's height. His wife's height is equal to 1 meter 47 centimeter. Let us see the next question. Okay, this is the 7th question. Here the mass of each gas cylinder is given. Okay, so mass of each gas cylinder is 21 kg 270 grams. Okay, and we need to know the total mass of 28 such cylinder. Okay, for this I am giving you example that 1 kg rice cost rupees 30. What is the cost of 4 kg rice? That will be what? 4 into 30. Okay, 4 into 30 means quantity into price of 1 kg rice. Here also it will be what? First, here the mass is given in 2 units, that in kg and gram. So just convert the whole mass into gram. Okay, so also I will write over here what? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So what we need to do here, that we need to convert kg into gram, and this one is also already in gram. So just multiply 21 by 1000. So it will be 21,000 gram plus 270 gram. So what it will be? It will be, after adding, it will be 21,270 grams. Okay. So we need to know the total mass of 28 such cylinder. Similarly, just multiply 28 into 21,270 grams. Okay, let's multiply and see what will be the answer. Okay, this is 28. Multiply 8 by the number 8 into 0, 8 7 is 56, 6, 5 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 5 21, carry 2, 8 1 8, 9 10, 8 to the 16 1 17. Now again 2 0 0, 2 7 is 14, 4 carry 1, 2 to the 4 1 5, 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. Again let's add them. 4 plus 1, this is 5, 5 plus 0, this is 5, 7 plus 2, this is 9, 4 plus 1, 5. So finally this will be the answer. Let us see what is this. It is 5,95,560 grams. Now to convert this gram into kg, what we need to do? We need to divide this gram by 1000. Okay, so what will be the quotient of this? Will be in kg. So when you will divide, you will see that 595 will be in the quotient and 560 will be in remainder, so it will be in grams. So what will be this? It will be 595 kg, 560 grams. So finally you can also write the answer. Total mass of 28 such cylinder is equal to 595 kg, 560 gram. Let us see the next question. In 8th question, what is that? Length of cloth needed for a shirt. Okay, what is the length of cloth, measurement of cloth that is needed to form a shirt is given. That is 2 meter 25 centimeter. Okay, now as in the 6th question I have told you that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now as there are this measurement is in 2 units, we need to convert in a single one. Okay, so multiply 2 into 100, so it will be 200 centimeter. Again just add 25 centimeter in it because that's already in centimeter, so it will be 225 centimeter. Okay, now again this is the similar question like before one, that is 7th one. So here also we need to multiply 18 into 225 centimeter. Okay, just multiply this over here. Okay, 18 5 times 90, 0 9 carry, 18 to the 36, 36 plus 9 that is 45, 5 carry 4, 18 to the 36, 36 plus 4 that is 40. Now so it will be 4050 centimeter. Convert this centimeter into meter, we will divide this by 100. Whatever will be the quotient will be 40. Okay, quotient will be 40, so it will be in meter and the remainder will be 50, so 50 will be in centimeter. So you already know how to divide, so it will be 40 meter 50 centimeter. Now finally we can write length of cloth required for 18 such shirt. Okay, so it will be 40 meter 50 centimeter. So let us see the next one. Okay, this is the 9th question. Total mass of 12 packets of sweet is given 15 kg 600 gram, and we need to know mass of each such packet. Okay, in this question we need to divide the total mass of packets of sweets. Okay, by number of packet. Number of packet is 12. So we have to divide this total weight by total number of packets. Okay. Also, I have told you in previous question that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So we need to convert this in gram all over. So we need to multiply kg by 1000 to convert it into gram. So it will be 15,000 gram plus 600 gram. So what it will be? 15,600 grams. Okay. Now mass of each such packet. For this we need to divide this total grams, total weight by number of packet. The number of packet is 12. Let us divide this over here. It will be 1300 grams. Also, it is in grams, so we can divide this by 1000. So to convert into kg, what it will be? It will be converted into kg when we will divide it by 1000. So it will be 1 kg 300 grams. Whatever there is in quotient, when we will divide it by 1000, whatever will be it in quotient, it will be in kg, and whatever will be in the remainder will be the gram. I have done in the previous question. Do it by yourself. So finally we will write that mass of each such packets will be equal to 1 kg and 300 grams. So let us see the next question. This is the 10th question. What is given here? There is a total quantity of orange juice. This is the total quantity of orange juice we are having, 4 liter 500 milliliter. Now one thing I must tell you that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Okay, ml means milliliter. Now so to convert liter into milliliter, multiply 4 by 1000. So it will be 4000 ml plus already it is in ml, that is 500 ml. So adding it will be 4500 ml. Okay, again capacity of each glass is 25 ml. Okay, so how many glasses that can be filled? The total capacity, the total by 4500 ml divided by 25 ml. So it will give you number of glasses that can be filled. This is, you need to do this on your own, and question number 11 is also your homework. We will meet with the new exercise. Till then, take care and goodbye.